If you see these dogs in your front yard, just know upstairs I'm going hard. Bing bong.
302 gang, we back in the balls, man, and I'm sad to say that I will not be making it to Mustang Week this year because this car is a pain in the behind. I'm telling you, like, man, I just noticed last week that I had a really bad oil leak, man, and I gotta get it fixed. Like, I really believe it's the oil filter housing that's leaking, but I don't know yet. So I'm about to take the car to my boy. I'm gonna leave it with him for a couple days, and I'm gonna let him do the diagnostic, figure out with me, man, because I'm looking under the car, man. It's like I was driving the car and I checked the spot, bro. It's oil leaking everywhere, like bad oil leak. So I put a little bit of oil in there now, just so I can make it to his house real quick, because it's looking pretty bad. So y'all, like this video, leave a comment, man. Let's get started, man. We about to take it over here, and I'm gonna give y'all an update on all that once we get there.
Get it. Every time I fall, I go even harder. Every time I lose, I get even smarter. This is not a movement you can be a part of. Niggas says up, we take it even further. Met black jets in the budget now. Riding in the phantom with 100 rounds. Heard these niggas talking, I can't come around. Lambo in the trenches, that's him coming down. Pop up in your city like I talk.
Yeah, YouTube, man, my baby got problems, man. Got it parked in my man's house. He about to bring it around the back. Well, he not here right now, so I'm gonna just leave it here and let him do his thing. But yeah, man, let me see if you can see it right now. You probably can see it right now. Let me see. If it leaked in it, look, it's leaking oil right now. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's leaking oil bad, man, like bad. I know y'all can see that. But yeah, man, I got it here for him. I'm gonna leave it here. He gonna take care of me. So, y'all boys, stay tuned, man. This is gonna be like a continuation video for like a couple days, but I'm about to leave it here right here with him now.
3 days later.
And like that, we back in action, baby. What's going on, y'all, man? Hey, it's been a couple days. Hey, don't mind the gas right now. I'm trying to, I had the car set on 93. I'm trying to run the rest of this E85. Trying to run the rest of the 93 out of here so I can put E85 in it. I'm going to the E85 station up here in Moreland. But yeah, man, just like that, the car back to normal. No more leaks, no more none of that. Salute to my man Jose. He be doing his thing with quick turnaround time. He a little pricey, but hey, he got me right. So yeah, man, you know what's going on with y'all, man. Just out here enjoying this beautiful Friday evening in the 302 for the cruise up here to the E85 station, and get back right, man. We're trying to get back right. We're trying to get back right for the festivities coming up. Dang, the screen, my window dirty. I can see the marks on it. Oh, well, it is. I just came from the car wash. I was being lazy, man. I definitely did that. Let's hear some popping. Woo, dang, that thing loud, man. I be scaring the hell out of people out here. Get to this car wash, man. Could be building that booth. Trying to burn as much of this gas out as I can before I get up there, because when you be swapping over the E85 and you got some more 93 in there, it be acting weird. So man, let's get on up to this spot. Go up here to Moreland, man. Moreland always got E85, man. They never let your boy down. Oh, where the E85 prices for y'all at? Up here we had what? 364. Not bad. Damn, I forgot to hit the tune. I gotta tune it back on E. Add new gauges. Y'all can see that? Focus, man. Damn. Never want to focus there. Tuning. Oh, see, it's going to tune in. Low tune. Go to my I got so many revisions. Let me go to this revision 6. Let's see. that was it. Right here. Turn it on. Don't listen to the music, don't mind the music in the background. That's me doing my thing, you know. I be listening to my slow jams when I be riding alone. But yeah, man, the car is back, man. As y'all can see, back by popular demand. Let's see the front end. Hey, every time I take my car to people's shops, it be stuck. Like, you ever took your car to the shop with somebody to work on and it be more damage on it than what you seen when you first got it? Don't you be mad about that? I be mad about that, dog. But let's just put this gas up in here. And that's that on that, man. Car is running back good again, man. And I'm on E85 now. As you can see, look at the temp. You can't really see it, but the temps went back down to like a normal riding temp. We're pretty good, man. We're pretty good. I mean, feel good. Everything feel good. Everything feel good. But yeah, man, 302 doing 302 things, man. It's a beautiful evening out here, actually. Like, it's nice and cool out here. Really good race weather, but I ain't there yet. Got a lot of work to do to get back to 100%, but we're working on it. I appreciate y'all just tuning in to your brother, man. Just watching me do my thing. Everybody that do keep watching, man. I promise I won't let y'all down. Yeah, but this ended up being a bad piece right here. It's been leaking from here for a minute, like for a while, but glad we was able to get that part fixed. Definitely oil pressure sensor and this piece right here. I don't even know exactly what it is, but I don't know, whatever. Got it fixed though. Everything is good. Car's not pouring out oil anymore, and you know, like I said, we got street car takeover coming up soon, and I need a drag setup badly. You know, somebody selling the drag setup for the cheap or something like that, let me know, because really want to put the car on the track, and the deadline is coming up. The deadline is coming up, so yeah, I want to re-dyno the car. There's a lot of things I want to do, so y'all just stay tuned. We're gonna keep trying to progress to that level. Well, YouTube, the end of successful trip. The Boss 302 is back to normal. Everything is good with it, man. And I definitely had more issues than I even realized I had with the car, but I'm glad that he was able to figure a lot of that out for me. So yeah, man, we're gonna continue regularly scheduled programming, and I hope y'all haven't forgot about your boy. You know, make sure y'all stay tuned. We got more content coming, and you know, regular degular car stuff, man. Yeah, this on-3 kit be a little tricky sometimes. It be, you know, after a while, it's like I said, with turbo cars, you gotta make sure you do a lot of routine maintenance, because things be moving around, man, and sometimes they move around and they move into a bad spot and it messes up other things. But you know, it is what it is.
Like, subscribe, and that's it. Comment too, bitch.